Hey guys, what's going on? And today I'm gonna be doing a bike check today of my main BMX, what I ride. So yeah. So first thing up here at the grips, these are Fit Bike Co. grips with ODI bar ends. Gonna be getting new ones soon. These bars, these are S&M bars. I think they're 9.5 rise. They feel a lot taller than 9s. Really nice bar though. Down to the headset, it's just a sealed headset. Don't really know the brand. It works. Frame, as you can see by the emblem, it's a Subrosa frame. Really nice frame, really strong. Looks really nice. Love the geometry. It's perfect for street. Subrosa brand forks. A lot of these parts that you guys see on here are actually going to be switched out. Especially the wheels. Listen to how quiet the cassette is. Not even worth doing a hub check on. They're rant hubs, but disappointed in the sound. How quiet they are. I'm trying to decide between the Shadow Symbol and the Colony Wasp. Let me know down below which one I should get. Yeah. Tires are just Amazon tires, 2.4s. These pedals are actually off of the Sapient that I used to have. Sprocket, it's a gold sprocket. Not sure of the brand. Just a KMC chain. Cranks, these are Mongoose 2-piece cranks from Mongoose. Very nice cranks, very strong. Mongoose builds good quality stuff. Shadow Conspiracy seat. Probably going to be switching that out soon. It's ripped up and old. As well as a pivotal seat post and a seat clamp. That's really it. This is what I ride. It's not much. It's pretty light. And it's what I wanted. I always wanted a Subrosa. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys, for this bike check. The next bike check I will be doing is of the Mafia Madman Teal. As you guys can see, the GTI is gone. We'll also make a video on what happened to that. That's gonna do it, guys. Peace.